All right, so I kind of got ahead of myself on my project. I got this extended ZR1 spoiler from, I think it's called Extreme Online Store with the, you put the light inside. That's what I wanted. Yeah, right here, Extreme Online Store. I had these little studs right here laying around that I put in the holes that need to be drilled. I put toothpaste on them. I marked my bumper with tape, lined up the spoiler with these stock holes, and I ended up getting a good diagram what I need to drill. So these are the stock holes for the stock spoiler. You just transfer over the studs. I put blue Loctite in there. The studs come out with a 4mm, and we're about to drill into our C6 for the very first time, bro. I don't like the color of that spoiler, but we're gonna get it painted. We just need to get it on there right now. You guys probably want to see me drill in these holes, so I'm gonna record these two right here. Because when you drill a hole, it's kind of funny. All the OEM Corvette guys are like, "How could you drill on your rear bumper? It was perfect the way GM had it. God damn it!" All right, well here we have our holes. I'm gonna get my bolts real quick, make sure they fit. These are the bolts it came with. I'm not a fan of them. Kind of wish they were a little longer, but I think I'm just gonna send it with some blue Loctite. So let's just set these down real quick. Get one of them. All right, so the bolt is pretty short, the one they give you, so you are gonna have to use new ones. You only got like 3 threads, pretty bad. So I'm gonna use a longer one that I have laying around. And I need a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, quick update. I found some longer bolts. I put blue Loctite in all the little holes. Yeah, so we're just gonna slap it on. And then we're set, bro. All right, just so you guys can see, this is about how many threads I'm gonna have sticking out. That's good enough for me to feel comfortable. And I'm also gonna have blue Loctite, so. Probably like 3 hours later, bro. Not even joking you. We have it on. So, my honest opinions, the fitment is pretty good. In the middle, it lifts up a little bit. That's because the studs that I used from the original spoiler broke the plastic right here. Luckily, it still has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws holding it down. I don't know how it's gonna look in the daytime. Probably pretty good, decent. The fitment for the third brake light, it's not shabby. Not shabby. Honestly, I couldn't really complain about that one. I kind of like it. It sits good with the body line. I'll get a better video in the daytime so you can see it, but I'm gonna have to take it off when I get it painted. But as long as I know it fits, I don't have to mess with it when it's painted.